Imagine your wallet is a hero, and your money? That's your XP. Spend it wrong, and you'll be stuck fighting the same boss every month, living paycheck to paycheck. But manage it wisely, and every dollar becomes a step toward leveling up your finances, unlocking treasures, and defeating the dungeon of monthly expenses. Most people treat money like random loot. You earn $3,000 a month, buy a $7 coffee, a $15 lunch, and $20 in snacks every day. And suddenly, by the end of the month, it's all gone. Essentials like rent, bills, and groceries consume $2,000, leaving $1,000 that vanishes if you don't have a strategy. Budgeting is your RPG map, showing where every coin goes, helping you avoid traps, and making sure your wallet doesn't get defeated before the final boss. Think of budgeting as an RPG. Every dollar earned is XP. Every dollar spent is energy leaving your system. Gold is your money. XP is your progress toward financial goals. Your health bar is financial stability. And boss fights? Those are the big expenses like rent, bills, emergencies, or that impulse splurge that could wipe out your resources. Your goal is simple. Level up your wallet, defeat these bosses, and unlock rewards, all while staying alive in the dungeon of life. Step 1 is tracking your loot. You can't fight efficiently if you don't know your inventory. Income is $3,000 per month. Essentials: rent $1,200, utilities $200, groceries $600. Side quests: coffee $7 per day and snacks $5 per day. Track every coin using a spreadsheet or an app. This is your RPG map. Every tracked dollar becomes a visible enemy or ally. When you see exactly where your gold goes, you avoid surprise attacks from hidden traps, like unnoticed daily expenses that slowly drain your XP. Next, allocate XP to your essentials first. Cover rent, bills, groceries, and transportation. Rent and bills, $1,400. Groceries, $600. Transportation, $200. That leaves $800 for side quests, power-ups, and your XP potions. Savings. Decide how much XP you want in your savings chest. A good rule is 20% of your total income. In our $3,000 example, that's $600 per month. Savings is your treasure chest. It can't be spent recklessly, but it slowly fills your XP bar, letting you level up over time. Leveling up your wallet doesn't stop there. Automate transfers into your savings chest. Think of it as an auto-loot system that constantly feeds your XP, even when you're busy completing other daily quests. The consistent accumulation of XP ensures that even small victories compound into real power. Over time, your wallet gains levels, giving you access to bigger rewards like emergency funds, investments, or larger discretionary purchases, without crashing under sudden boss fights. Now, plan your power-ups and side quests. Fun money, $400 per month. Buffs like education, skill building, or health, $400 per month. Want a $1,000 gaming console? Save $100 per month from your side quest gold. In 10 months, you unlock the treasure without risking your essentials or XP. Planning your loot drops ensures that every coin contributes to progress instead of disappearing into chaos. But beware of traps. Impulse goblins steal coins when you spend without tracking. XP drain traps punish you when you skip your savings or ignore essential allocation. Boss rush syndrome attacks if you try to buy large items impulsively without planning. Recognizing these traps early lets you use your XP strategically, defend your gold, and avoid damage to your health bar. Treat money like an RPG. Track your loot, allocate gold to essentials, save XP potions regularly, plan side quests carefully, and always watch for traps. Each month is a dungeon you can conquer. Every coin counts, every decision matters, and every level gained makes your financial journey smoother. By thinking about budgeting as a game, you transform money management from a chore into an adventure. Your wallet becomes your hero, XP grows steadily, and even small victories, like skipping that daily coffee or saving an extra $50, give you progress points. Over time, this gamified approach compounds, giving you control over your finances, more freedom, and less stress. Start today. Track your income, map your expenses, protect your savings chest, and level up your wallet. Your financial bosses aren't invincible. With strategy, XP, and consistent effort, victory is always within reach. Subscribe for more gamified life hacks, and let's conquer the dungeons of money together.